It's an admission of guilt from the man who is a person of interest in the death of Sidney Loofe in Nebraska in late 2017. Tonight, he offers new details in a confession. Over the weekend, 51-year-old Aubrey Trail again admitted he acted alone and committed the murder, and this time much more. However, authorities have yet to charge him with the killing. Reporter Megan Stewart has been following this case for months, and she's live with the latest tonight.
Craig, the FBI is still leading the investigation into Sidney Loofe's death. They say they cannot comment on at this time when or if charges will be filed, but the investigation continues.
I killed Sidney Loofe and am fully responsible for her death.
An admission of guilt from the man who's been named as a person of interest in Sidney Loofe's death. Aubrey Trail speaking publicly and with more detail than before about what happened to Loofe in Wilbur, Nebraska. He says he killed her on November 16th, around 4 in the morning. Trail went on to say his home was a place where people could live out fantasies, and women were paid a weekly allowance.
If someone wanted to make thousands of dollars, they could agree to let someone play out their fantasy with them. Fantasies paid from $500 to $10,000 cash.
Trail lived with Bailey Boswell, who has also been named as a person of interest in the investigation.
We're the people you're looking for.
Here's the pair on video in November, denying having anything to do with Loofe's disappearance.
I went to take her home, and she asked me to drop her off at a friend's house, so I did so. I gave her my number. We were planning to go to the casino that weekend. I haven't heard from her since.
Bailey Boswell had nothing to do with the death of Sidney Loofe. She was in the house it happened in, but was not in the room when Sidney died.
Trail now says he's frustrated with law enforcement because he hasn't yet been charged, and says he's ready to go to trial. Trail and Boswell are in the middle of a federal court case in Lincoln over alleged fraud. The pair also have charges or convictions in a slew of other states regarding their antiques business. Live in the studio, Megan Stewart, 3 News Now.